guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatan's channel. For today's video, we will cook pinakbit, or we can call it stir-fried vegetable. But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! First thing, I have here oil and then shrimp. We'll just do a quick frying of the shrimps. Then I have here pork meat. We will simmer this for about 5 minutes. Then we will add on black pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We will simmer this for another 3 minutes until the meat is tender. So this time we'll add on our onions or the sibuyas, garlic, and then we'll simmer this for another 2 minutes. As you can see here, guys, our meat is cooked already. So we will add on the green beans. And then next is the okra or the lady's finger. We'll simmer this for about 2 minutes. And then we will add on the squash or the calabas, and then the eggplant, talong, and then add on a half cup of water. Next is the ginisa mix. Then we will simmer this for about 3 minutes. So next we will add on the shrimp paste, also known as bago. And then lastly, our shrimps. By the way, guys, for those of you having allergy on the shrimps or the shrimp paste, just don't use any of those. And it's done. Our pinakbit or the stir-fried vegetable done. Ta-da! Okay guys, we're done cooking our pinakbit or the stir-fried vegetable. Bang! OMG! As I said earlier, kung may mga allergies sa shrimps, so wag na kayong gumamit ng shrimps. So the best part is the tasting time. Ayan, tikman natin itong pinakbit natin. Make sure na hindi overcook yung vegetable mo para maging crunchy pag kainin. Okay guys, as for our shout out, I would like to shout out Alessio Berry, Mama Nancy's Vlog, Just Here for the Goodies, NL, and also Tukador. Okay, that's all for this video guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye for now. God bless you. I love you guys. Pinak or the stir-fried vegetable.